Hey viewers, Michael Warren here from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn how to play Friday on My Mind by the Easybeats. Don't forget, if you like this lesson, to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and check out my YouTube channel Essential Guitar Lessons. Lots of songs and lessons for all levels, and new ones uploaded weekly, and I'll put a link in the description for you. If you're having any problems with this song, please leave a comment and let me know how you go with this one. Now we'll start with the chords, so if you know these chords, jump ahead to this time. So let's get into it. Okay, so we've got lots of chords in here. We're going to start with a standard A chord, so we have the open A string, 2nd fret, D, G and B, and open E string. And that's our A chord. We've also got an A minor in there, so we have the open A string, 2nd fret, D and G, 1st fret on the B this time, and open E, and that's our A minor chord. We have a C sharp minor bar chord now, so it'll be up on the 4th fret on the A string, 6th fret on the D and the G, 5th fret on the B, and 4 on the E string, and that's our C sharp minor. We have a standard D chord, so open D string, 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, 2nd fret on the E, and that's our D. We also have a D sus4, so this time we have the open D string, 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, and 3rd fret on the E, and that's our D sus4. And we have a D sus2 as well, so open D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B string, and this time open E string, and that's our D sus2. We have an F sharp bar chord, so 2nd fret on the E string, 4th fret on the A and the D, 3rd fret on the G, and 2nd fret on the B and the E, and that's our F sharp. We have a B minor bar chord, so 2nd fret on the A string, 4th fret on the D and the G, 3rd fret on the B, and 2nd fret on the E string, and that's our B minor. We also have a B bar chord, so this time 2nd fret on the A, 4th fret on the D, G and B, and 2nd fret on the E string, and that's our B. We have an E7, so open E string, 2nd fret on the A string, open D string, 1st fret on the G string, open B and E. So E7, we have a standard E chord, so open E string, 2nd fret on the A and the D, 1st fret on the G, open B and E, and that's our E. We have a standard G chord, so 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd fret on the A string, open D and G, 3rd fret on the B and the E. And the last one is our C chord, 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D, open G, 1st fret on the B and open E, and that's our C chord there. So lots of chords, just go through them, make sure you know all them, and let's jump into the song now. So through the verse we're going to do all this arpeggio picking. We're going to start with the 2nd fret on the D string, 4th fret on the G, and we're just going to play D, G, D, G, D, G, D, G, and we do that 4 times. So while we're doing that, we're doing a bit of light palm muting as well. Then we're going to the open A string, 2nd fret on the G string this time. So again, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G. So now we're going to switch that. We're going to leave our first finger on the G string, 2nd fret. We play open D, G, open A, G, D, G, A, G. So we play that slowly for you. Then go back to our first chord, 2 on the D, 4 on the G, and we're going to do it again as D, G, D, G, D, G, D, G, and do that 2 times. So we play that first part slowly for you. then from there we're doing that open A string, second fret on the G, just do that. So A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, and then do our D, G, A, G, D, G, A, G. So we did that before. Then we go into the G chord. We're going to play 3rd fret on the E string, 5th fret on the D string, and we go E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, and we do that 2 times. So, and 2. Now this is a tricky bit here. We're going to go 2nd fret on the A string, and I suggest you use your 2nd finger for this because we're going to need our 1st finger to come back to the 1st fret. So we're going to play 2nd fret on the A, 4th fret on the G, and then 2nd fret A, 3rd fret on the G, 2nd fret A, 2nd fret on the G, 2nd fret A, 1st fret on the G, 2nd fret A, open G, then back to the 2nd fret A, 4th fret on the D this time, 2nd fret A, 3rd fret on the D, 2nd fret A, and 2nd fret D. So let me do that part slowly for you. And then we're just playing 2 and 2 on the A and the D string, and we're going to do that 2 times. So A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, and then do that again. A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D. Now we're going back to our open A string, 2nd fret on the G string, and we're going to do that again 2 times. So A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, and then do it again. A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G. Then from there it changes a little bit. We're going to stay on the A and the G string like we did before, but now we're going to play A, G, 2nd fret, A, G, 2nd fret, and then A, G, 3rd fret, A, G, 3rd fret, so we have, and then A, and we're going to jump to the 2nd fret on the B string, and we're going to do that 4 times, so A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Then we play the open D string and the 3rd fret on the B string, so we have open D, 3rd fret on the B, open D, 3rd fret on the B. Then we come up, open D, 5th fret, open D, 5th fret, come up again, open D, 6th fret, open D, 6th fret, open D, 6th fret, open D, 6th fret. Do that another 2 more times, D, 6, D, 6 on B, D. Then come up to open D string, 8th fret on the B, and do that 2 times, open D, 8, open D, 8. Then come up to the 9th fret, open D9, open D9, and back to the 8, open D8, open D8. And to finish that off, we're going to do some chords. We're going to play C 2 times, E 2 times, then A once, F sharp once, B once, and E once. So let me do that last little part slow for you because that's a little bit confusing. So we're starting on the open A and 2nd fret on the G. Back to our chords. And that's our verse there. So there's a lot going on. If you take your time and build up your speed, it's not too bad. So let me play that through for you now. That's our verse there, and from our verse we're going into our chorus, and we're going to use a strumming pattern there, so let's go over that now. So we're going to start on the A, and our strumming patterns are going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, and that'll be 1 bar there. So down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. and we do that A for 2 bars. Let's do that. Up to our C sharp minor and we do the same. Back to our A again, another 2 bars. Back to our C sharp minor again, another 2 bars. And then from there we're going to the D, and the strumming pattern's going to change. We're just going to do a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up there, and we do the D for 2 bars. So F sharp for 2 bars, same strumming pattern. B minor for 2 bars, same strumming pattern. D for 2 bars, same strumming pattern. Now to B this time, 2 bars. D for 2 bars. A for 2 bars. E7 for 2 bars. Then we just play the A minor once and hold for a bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we do the D sus4, play once, hold for a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, G. 2, 3, 4, and E7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the A minor and the D7 we let ring, the G and the E7 we stop. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our chorus there, so let's play that up to speed now, starting on the A. C sharp minor, A, C sharp minor, D, F sharp, B minor, D, B, D, A, E7, A minor, D sus4, yeah, G, E7 there. And that's our chorus there. Then we just go back to our verse and we play that exactly the same as our first verse. Then we go to the chorus again. Now the only thing that's going to change here on that last part, we play the A minor, hold for a bar. Now instead of doing the D sus4, we do a D sus2 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finish on our D and our E7. And that's the only difference in the chorus there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's only the D sus4 now becomes a D sus2 the second time through the chorus. And then to finish that off, we just go back to our A, and we're doing that for 2 bars, and our C sharp minor for 2 bars. So. Back to our A, C sharp minor. And we just keep repeating that right through to the end. So that's all our rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at a couple of little solos we've got in there. So the first one, we're going to start on the 7th fret on the E string. And then jump to the D string, 9, 8, G string, 9, 8, B string, 9, 7, 8, 7, back to the G string, 9, 7. So slowly. And up to speed there. And then in the first and the second verses we have this little fill here. We're going to play on the B string, 5, 6, 5, G on the 7th fret, back to 5 on the B string, back to G, 7, 5, 4 to 6, so slowly. And up to speed. Then the second time through, it's nearly the same. We're just coming down a string. So E string, 5, 6, 5, B, 8, back to E5, B, 8, 6, 5, 6. So slowly. So let's play those two up to speed now. We have starting on the B string, and then the E string. And it does that on the first and the second verses. Now we also have a little fill in the choruses as well. This time 2nd fret on the B string, so 2, 3, 2, G string 4, back to the B string 2, G string 4, 2, 1, 2. So slowly and up to speed. So you can hear all those little lead bits pretty easy and work out where each one goes. So that's all the parts to the song there. The chords are fairly easy. It'll be that arpeggio picking that gets you at the start. So just take your time and build your speed up. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.